Oh man, I have to pay EMI tomorrow and I don't have money in my account. Ria, listen, you please join the job again. And Pranav is also going to be a year old now. I'm not able to manage alone. Everything EMI for the house, EMI for the car. If you join the job, it will be easier to manage.
No, yaar, Sanju. I don't want to join the job right now. Pranav is so small right now. I can't leave him on anybody else and go back to job. At least I need 1 year more with him. When he will grow up a little bit, then I can think of going back to job. And I already told you that right now don't buy this big home, big car. Just save something. But no, sir had to competition with his friends. Now do na competition.
Ria, please try to understand. I can't manage everything with my own salary. I'm getting worried about how to manage and do everything. And we will keep a nanny for Pranav. Please, please agree. Please.
Oh, okay, fine.
You are the best. Thank you.
Before this, have you worked anywhere? No, I haven't worked anywhere. If you haven't worked before, so how will you manage household and my kid? Sister, actually, I also have two kids, so you don't worry. The way I take care of my kids, na, I will take care of your son as well. By the way, if you haven't worked till now, so why you want to work? Actually, before my husband used to work, but he got an accident. So since then till now he's on bed rest. So all the responsibility of home is on me. I have a mother-in-law, my two kids and husband. All responsibilities are on me. So just I'm looking for work if I will find work so I can manage home. Okay, fine. You have to take care of kid, prepare 2 times of food, mopping and cleaning of home and all the small jobs which are there, and salary I will give you 15,000. Thank you so much, sister. Okay, sister, when can I go in the evening?
After we came back from the office, you will cook food and put Pranav on sleep. Then you can go. You'll get free by 9 or 9:30.
Okay, uh, brother, when you both will come back from office, can't I go home? Actually, what is it now? My two kids are there now, and one kid is 2 years old. So,
You will get tired after coming back from the office. You also need some rest. What will happen if you go a little late? You'll be free by 9 or 9:30.
okay, fine, brother. Okay, fine. Come on time from tomorrow. Namaste. Pooja, we both are leaving for office. Take care of Pranav and home properly. And whatever happens, you can call me. Okay, sister. Bye. Pooja, I'm at home. Where is Pranav? Yes, coming. Hi, my baby. No. You missed mom? Okay, listen now. I'm so much tired. Give me 1 cup tea quickly and give milk to Pranav. And as soon as sir will come, serve the food, clean the kitchen, and then you can go. Yes, sister. Just my baby. How is my daughter? You both brother and sister had food or not? You didn't trouble grandmom, na? See, whatever grandmother cooks, na, eat it properly. Don't trouble her. And take care of your brother. Mom will come soon. Hmm? Pooja? Yes, sister coming. Yes, sister. You do one thing, you go to home. What happened, sister? You didn't like my work? No, I liked your work so much. You are working so good. But being a mother, I was not able to understand other mothers' compulsion. Do you know? Your and my situation, na? It's same. You leave your kids at home and come here to work. And I leave my kid here and go outside to work. We both have compulsions, because of which we have to go outside to earn, leaving our kids at home. From now on, whenever I will come back from office, you go to home. No need to stay till 8 or 9 o'clock. I come at 5 o'clock, so you can go home on 5 or 5:30 to your kids. And I also won't deduct your salary. Thank you so much, sister. I won't forget this favor of yours in life. Hey, crazy, why are you crying? Now go and run to your kids fast. They are waiting for their mother. Okay. Tomorrow on time.